Greenhouse up and running. I think I put it up about 2 weeks ago, something like that. We're starting to get some growth. I'm starting to see things grow. Let's take a look on the inside. Ooh, it's hot as hell in here. Man, we're starting to get some growth for real, for real. We got the beans right there. I see a little tomato popping up. Feed us some more water. Got the watermelon. Cantaloupe is growing nicely. Cucumbers. Corn starting to grow. Damn. The lima beans. I don't see anything happening with the celery. And with the peas, I see the peas growing a little bit. What's this? The cabbage. Gotta have cabbage. Yeah, here, we about to put some water in here in a minute. We gotta cut all that down and get the hell out of here because it's burning up. I did have it right here, but it wasn't stable enough. I actually wanted it to be right there. It just wasn't stable enough. Anyways, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day.